Do you love drinking hard seltzer but want to know how to make it yourself? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing with you my very own do-it-yourself recipe to make your own hard seltzer right at home. Hey, Erin here with Healthy Mom Happy Family, and today we are talking about hard seltzers. They are so popular right now and for good reason. None of us should be drinking too much alcohol, but in moderation, 1 drink a day, having a little bit of alcohol is okay. And hard seltzers are really appealing because they only have about 100 calories and 2 grams of carb per serving. Plus, the carbonation is really appealing. I know for myself too. And one of the most popular ones right now is White Claw, which a lot of people love drinking, but you might not be able to go out and get it right now, or they might be out of stock with it. So if you want to know how to make your own do-it-yourself hard seltzer at home, it's really simple to do. And calorie-wise, carbohydrate-wise, it comes out pretty much the same as the store-bought variety. So all you need to make it happen is vodka, seltzer, and juice. Now, if you have the ability to carbonate your own beverages at home, you have something like a soda stream, that's great, you can use that too. But if you don't, you're gonna wanna use some kind of carbonated water. So what you want is about 12 ounces of carbonated water. I have a seltzer here. Then you would do 1.5 ounces, which essentially is a shot glass of vodka, and the same amount in juice. So any juice you want to use, that's going to be the flavoring of your hard seltzer. So we have right now apple juice in the house, so we can use apple to make an apple flavored seltzer. And so it'd be 1.5 ounces there as well. Now, this is so simple. You're just going to take any glass that you want to use. You're going to pour in about half of the seltzer. Then you're going to pour in the vodka, the juice, and then top it off with the remaining seltzer. You can use a stir to mix it up, and there you go. You have your very own homemade hard seltzer, about 100 calories, 2 grams of carb, just like the store-bought variety, but you don't need to go to the store to make it happen. So if you like this video, let me know, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to comment below and let me know if you try it and make your own hard seltzers at home. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. And hit that notification bell too, so you always know when my newest videos appear.